Hi guys! Today we're going to be working on a smooshy marble using black plus 2 of the hollows from the China Glaze OMG Flashback collection. If you like nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this design, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean, dry nails, I'm going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base. And you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'm using today are all from China Glaze. The purple is IDK, the teal is Deviate, and the black is Liquid Leather. I'll be using Liquid Leather as my base color, and once that's complete, I'll be protecting around my nails using Simply Peel. For my smooshy today, I'm going to be using my Moyu London Crystal Clear Stamper. And I usually try to lay out about 9 drops of polish to kind of get them to mix evenly. Of course, each nail is going to be a little bit different, but I like to try and have a consistent mix of colors on each nail. So I'm going to add 3 drops of the purple, 3 drops of the teal, and then 3 kind of smallish drops of the black. Then I'm just going to smoosh that onto my nail, like I will show in just a moment here. And actually this is quite a bit. We'll go to my ring finger, and it's gonna be messy like that, but that's what helps to create the marble. I'm going to clean up just a bit around the cuticles where it's pooling using my orange stick, like that. And then I'm going to grab on to the Simply Peel, the latex, and remove the rest of the excess polish, like that. And repeat that for all my nails. go ahead and do any necessary cleanup, and then I'm going to finish off with top coat. As usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out. Smooshies are fairly quick and easy with the exception of the cleanup, and this cleanup was maybe a little tougher than usual because of the black was really being very stubborn. But I'm very, very happy with the final manicure. I also really liked some of the color combinations that I did during my testing, so I may do another smooshie with this collection soon. We'll see what other things I have in mind, but if you'd like to see that testing plus the extended tutorial, the live stream from Saturday will be up on Monday if you want to check that out. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.